Hi guys, let's get into this Flexi-rod set. Okay, so I'm going to part my hair in about 4 sections, and I'm going to start with that middle section. I'm adding some Pantene moisturizer right here. It's really detangler, but it works great as a moisturizer. And then I'm adding some water on this first section, taking a comb, making sure it's combed all the way through, and then I'm adding the Flexi-rod. So I'm just rolling this one kind of like straight under, because when I take it out, I want it to be a certain way. And then I'm going to move to the next section, and I'm going to just split that in two. So make sure all of that is moisturized. Make sure you're spraying your water. And so now I'm just rolling this back. So you will see me roll front, back, side, because I don't want all my curls uniform. So they have to be different, and you got to be careful how you roll them unless you just want them perfect. And I didn't want a perfect fro. I just wanted a full fro. That's basically, and I want it a little frizz. So you will see here that my hair is dry already. And so I just wet it a little bit because it would take forever to dry if not. So I'm doing the same thing in this section on the side. So I'm rolling it under, but then once you tuck and roll, you just bend that Flexi-rod back, girl. Then you just work your way all the way to the top. You start from the end and roll. You could start from the middle and roll it up, and then end the Flexi-rod, finish it off. But I like to start from the end. Before I start drying, check this out. Okay, y'all, my youngest son is home, and I don't think he ever seen me with rollers. Why you gotta be so dramatic? Okay, guys, so this is me sitting under the dryer. In the earlier clip, you saw me just starting the blow drying process so I don't be all day under the dryer. But now it is time to take it out, and I was worried about how it might come out, but it came out cute. I don't know why the ends were like this one. I don't know, but it didn't curl all the way at the end. So I wasn't too happy about that, but in the end, it still turned out okay. And so as you can see here, I'm starting to see that it's coming out right. So, I had a little hope, a little faith at this point that, okay, even though, the curls wasn't the best because this is on dirty hair. Honestly, I did not wash my hair to achieve this style. This is old stretched out hair. So I'm just taking these Flexi rods out, adding a little olive oil, maybe like a nickel or quarter size, and I'm going through all my ends only. I'm not putting any oil on the roots. That's why I just took the extra oil and just put it on my arms. So now I'm separating each curl, and that's why I roll the front like that, because I can get the curls like that across the front. Once my bang is good, then I'm good, okay? I don't really care how the rest come out, but once my face is framed, I absolutely love it. But it did come out nice, and I just took the comb and lifted my roots for volume, and there you have it. I really, really love it. Isn't it cute? So now let me show you a few styles. I just took the combs, and then you gotta insert them in like the opposite way, because if you do it straight in, it won't be right. So this is how that style was looking. And then I just said, okay, let's do a full mohawk. That was a half mohawk. And I did the same thing, inserted the combs backwards, because that's the only way your hair is gonna stay. And that came out cute. Added my glasses. You can't tell me nothing. Okay. So yeah. And after this style, I just decided to add a scarf. Try to see how this looked. This scarf was way too big, to be honest, but I still tied it in a bow. And then I tucked the ends under, try to widen that part right there. And it really wasn't bad. I would definitely wear a scarf, but not just that scarf. It just wasn't right. So here are just some cute pics that I took. And I really love the style. And I got all dressed up to take some pics. And I'll see y'all in the next one.